actually. Like, I've seen some friends of mine, they're already finishing their masteral, or some friends of mine have already went to other countries to pursue their teaching careers there. Some also pursue their dreams on having their own businesses. And I was like, teacher pa rin ako. Then I realized that I need to put it myself na kung teacher lang ako, I need to put my 100% in teaching na lang. Pero in that area, I feel like I'm doing my best. I did my best. And how did I feel that I did my best? Through my students. I need to face those things. Yeah. Though it fears the hell out of me, but I need to face it or else no one will.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Press Play Podcast. In today's episode, we have a very amazing person here that we would like to have you all experience her because maganda to siya. She's very funny, she's very insightful, very helpful and very caring. Very caring. Baka gusto niya ng yung daw niya is words of affirmation. Ay, alam ko, nakikinig ako. But anyway, please help me welcome po Miss Jelovi Calma.
Hi everyone, I'm Jel.
So we'll have you introduce yourself,
Yes. Hi everyone, I'm Jelovi Calma and you can call me Jel. That's it.
Simple lang, Simple lang ang introduction, but
Yes.
we'll get to know Jel more as we progress through this episode. So very first talaga is that what do you do ba, Jel?
Okay, what I do, I teach actually sa grade 3 level. So that means to say I'm more focused on elementary level. Yes. However, I graduated BSed English. And then as of that time, kasi walang available
Right.
na elementary, na high school level. That's why I just grabbed the opportunity sa grade 3. Sa elementary rather.
How long did that take? From graduation until makakuha kang trabaho, how long did that take? Instant siya or?
It's never an instant thing because at first, I need to have background, ano yung previous job. I need to have a job first in a private school para magka-point system sa DepEd because I'm now currently in DepEd. And then, to have that point, so meaning 1 year, and another 2 years online teaching. And then, that means I have 3 years of teaching experience. And then, within those 2 years online teaching, I tried my luck in DepEd. So, pasa ako ng requirements and all, even mga original files ko, I have to give it so that maging part siya sa RQA files. Yeah, that's one of the requirements kasi sa DepEd. And then, so that means sa mga 3 years before ako nag public school. Yes.
How about ng timeline?
Yes.
3 years.
3 years it took.
With those 3 years, I was thinking already to go abroad. Yeah, because that's a thing actually. When you finish when you finish education kasi, there's 2 things lang talaga. It's not that wala kaming choice, but somehow we are encouraged by our profs before to give back or to practice your profession that you have graduated. So that means to say we need to teach as much as possible. So 2 options that I have is do the local teaching or the international teaching, which is going to other countries. And I was thinking of having it sa Asian countries because English is kind of needed in those areas. That's it.
Oh, my goal ka na ba na Asian country?
Yo!
What Asian
Sawadee
country?
ka!
Hi!
Hi! Hanoi!
Iba na yun. Iba.
Yeah.
That's interesting. So abroad sana yung mo.
Yes.
The goal was supposedly abroad.
Yes.
Pero ano nangyari? What happened?
Okay, so after I taught in this private school here in Davao, kind of nag-stop muna ako. I was thinking na doon sa time na nag-online teaching ako, doon yung processing years ko on thinking going abroad or staying here. And then I was thinking, yung mga friends ko na pasok na sila sa DepEd. Well, me on the other hand, like, sana ko.
Right.
Sana ko. Other friends of mine nasa BPO industry because they're kind of needed there. And then in my end, parang, sana naman ako. Always with that question mark in myself, like, where should I go? So, I was thinking if I saved enough money doon sa 2 years ko sa online teaching, I was thinking already na I need to go abroad na. By hook or by crook. No matter what,
grabe,
kailangan doon na. And then, pumasok na sa mind ko rin na, okay, try ko na lang muna local teaching muna. And then after that, if I saved or or the other way around, loan po tayo. Kung hindi kaya ng save, kakayanin ni loan. So, dun yun. So, I was thinking those two things already. And then, after giving my applications na on both sides, actually, three sides talaga. First year ko nung sa online teaching, I have this international, which is Thailand na. Yung thinking, Thailand lang talaga. Wala nang ibang country muna.
Inagawin mo?
Yes.
Inagawin.
Because if I will think of another country, baka ma-change naman mind ko. And then, I'm going for the local na, which is dito sa Davao City. And then, here comes na, ay, parang mahirapan ako sa Davao City. So, for that first year sa Davao City, hindi ako nakalusot sa banga. Actually. Kasi may RQA po tayo. Meron tayong list ng ranking. Nasa top 20 po tayo, pero hindi po tayo nakapasok sa banga. Hindi po, I'm not one of those people na natawagan ng school head. Some called, pero hindi siya sa mga gusto kong schools na medyo near lang dapat sa home address ko. As much as possible, malapit lang sa home address ko. So, yun, choosy kasi ako. So, for the second time around, for my second year, which is still online teaching, but still passing my requirements as well. So, yun na nga, I was thinking already of SAMAL. So, that's why I gave my application to SAMAL, to Davao City, and to the international area. So, sabi ko, the more chances of winning.
Oh my God.
Yun na.
Pasa lang. Tama naman.
Pasa. Kasi walang mawawala. I mean, pagod kung pagod. But at the end of the day, I was thinking already, I need to have a job. Kasi during 2017, nasunugan kami. Yes. So by that time na nasunugan kami, I was like, I need to have a job. Hindi pwedeng wala. Or else wala kaming kakainin. Mindset ng breadwinner.
Breadwinner ka?
Yes, as of that moment. Up until later na. Later na yung pero to, later na, abangan.
May progression eh.
Yes,
Wait lang daw.
Skip to this time stop.
So yun na nga ang nangyari. And then after that, sa 2016 kasi, yun yung first year of online teaching ko. Parang chill lang. Okay, hindi pasok. Okay lang tayo dyan. As long, because I'm already receiving around 20K per month. Yeah. And 20K per month is enough.
That's true.
Sobrang enough at that time, ha?
Anong year to?
2016.
2016.
20K is like, daming pera, ha? Tapos online teaching ka, you are working from home. You're not paying anything. You're just paying for the bills. That's it. So, yun na nga. And then, nasunugan kami sa 2017. Ganda ng buhay ko. Pagkasunog ng bahay namin, I was like, tinawagan ko pa yung manager ko from China kasi Chinese yun. Ma'am, is it okay if I will not have classes as of the moment? Because currently, we're having some fire.
Oh my God. Live fire.
We're having some fire here in my place. It's okay, Jel. Take your time.
Bait.
Take your time. So, yun. Take your time nga. Tapos, sa pagsabi niya ng take my time, yun na din yung time na nagbigay din ako ng application.
Wow, smart,
yeah,
smart
I was
move.
thinking like, I need to do it fast or else wala talaga kayong kakainin. Yeah, that's it. And then yun, pasok tayo sa banga for the second time around na pumasok tayo sa local teaching. And that's when pumasok na ako sa Division of Island Garden, City of
Wow,
Samar.
grabe. Iga Coast.
Yeah,
Iga
I'm so
Coast.
proud of that. Yeah.
Bakit Samar?
Yun din yun. Yun din yung magandang
Sakay
question.
ka pa tumawid, sakay ka pa ng boat,
Yeah.
I
pwede
know.
ka naman magpanabo, pwede ka naman
Mm-mm.
malayo pa rin eh.
Hindi ko kasi simuwana ako. Joke lang.
Kanta ka na.
Oo.
Kanta ka sa bangka mo.
No.
Ay,
I've been, parang iba na ito. Ganito yung nangyari. So, at first, sabi ko, more chances of winning. Bigay lang natin ito na bigay. Kung sino yung unang tumawag or unang mag-say na you're hired or something like that, then we'll go push to it. So, may nag-text. Yung text, hello po, good afternoon. I'm a school head from this school, Toril Elementary School. And I was like, Toril? So, Davao!
wow.
Davao! Pusok tayo sa banga. Tapos, yes sir, punta na ako dyan sir. Okay sir, kunin ko na talaga yung opportunity. And then later on, sabi ng sir, do you know that Toril Elementary School is in Samal Island? I was like,
Wait, what?
sir, I need this job, sir. So, dahil aggressive, punta tayo. Let's go. So, punta na ako. And then with all this lancha, the motorboat. And after that, sabi pa, sakay ka ng ng habal-habal. I was like, ano? And then, pagpunta ko doon sa place, actually, parang nag-site visit kami ng papa ko. Yes. Mauday niya ang Toril, mauday niya.
Ang Toril na sa
Ito yung
Samal.
Toril Elementary School. Tapos, ito yung nangyari.
Toril na sa Samal.
This is the weird thing, ha. Merong teacher doon. Sabi ko, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, dugay na ning Toril Elementary School. Yes, ma'am. Mag-donate ka, ma'am. Pag ingon ni ma'am, ma'am, bag-uday ko nga teacher diri, ma'am. Ikaw di ito. Ingon mo ni Sir Guapa.
Bro.
Sir,
Sir.
Kasi problema na to, sir.
Sir. Magsugod pa lang to, sir.
Ikaw di itong guwapa. Yes po. Ang maestro, dugay. Thank you sa welcome.
Dili sila sigurado ba?
Thank you sa pag-welcome.
sure ka ikaw ang mag-apply din eh.
Uy, and then after that, I need to grab that because sabi pa ng HR doon is dapat within June and that year, dapat matanggap mo para may bonus ka.
Wow.
Isa to
Yun
naman.
po yun. I was like, tinawagan ako June 1. And then, dapat ma-fix ko na yung requirements ko, NBI and so on. And then after that, mga June 11, tapos na yung mga papers ko for hiring na, para hire na talaga. And then by June 11, pirmado na. Work na ako. Tapos sabi kasi, basta within June, nag-sign ka ng papers, hired ka na, by that time, by Christmas or December, or November rather, because dyan ang mga Christmas bonus darating, makaka-receive ka na ng buo.
Wow.
Buo talaga.
At least, yung
Buo
that
talaga.
person, that HR was actually on your side, di
Thank
ba?
you, ma'am.
Nakuha mo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nakuha.
Nakuha.
Wow! Yun ang importante! Yay! Hooray for the bonus!
Yeah. Kasi mukhang pera po tayo. Alipin tayo ng pera. At
Alipin ng salapi. Diba?
Yeah.
Diba? Okay lang yun because that's really the reality rin
Yeah,
naman.
true,
Diba?
true.
It's like we have to survive. We have to
Yes,
fight to
yes.
survive talaga. And then,
Yes.
kung ano man yung mga opportunities that come our way, then you go for it.
Yeah.
And that's what you did, di ba?
Yes.
How long have you been teaching now?
Yun lang. Kasi sabi ko, mag-i-international ako. Medyo matagal na tayo sa service.
So, kailan ba? Kailan ka?
27.
Wala na, mga 5 years or
2017?
so na. 5 or 6 years na ako in service. Yeah. Bakit?
Constant, yearly. Walang, di ka nag-stop ng for a year, sabi mo, hindi ko na ako magturo. Tuloy-tuloy yan, 6 years.
Tuloy-tuloy yan.
So,
Oo.
How's the experience teaching on a public school na setting?
that is on another island from where you live.
I know.
Ganyan yung tanong eh.
Challenging.
Okay.
On the first year, kasi bida-bida na naman tayo.
Ay, first day talaga.
First day.
Oh.
I think all of us are bida-bida in our own ways,
Correct.
diba? And then in my case, I can see myself like blooming in that area. I was already thinking na, okay, ganito, gawin ko, ganyan. So on. And then I thought that I can change the system.
Ang lakas ng
No.
loob. Oh my God.
Because I was already seeing wrong things. Eh, like, ay, lagi na, ma'am. Ma'am, dili jud na ing anak, ma'am. Ay, dili lagi ka kabalo mag-print. Dili jud na ing anak. Ing ani jud dapat, ma'am.
Nagbuot-buot na ka.
And then, the system changed me.
Wow.
Yun po yung nangyari. Parang, anong nangyayari sa akin?
Sobrang lakas ng kalaban niya eh.
Yes.
If you can't
Oh.
beat them, join them daw. So,
I already joined them.
Pero, iba, day-to-day living mo, as a teacher, how does it go? Gising ka ng umaga, kailangan maaga, ganyan. How does it go for you?
So in my case, I know it's a little bit wrong, no, but I don't really take my breakfast so that I can take the time for the luncha because around mga 6:30 dapat nakasakay na. And then after that, mga around 7, abot na ka sa Samal. And then by 7, tas motor na naman ako, 7:15. Di ba? 15
may
minutes,
ano na,
15
may,
minutes, naka-interval na. And then dapat sa school na ako by around 7:30. As much as I want to stop working, I cannot. Kasi again, meron tayong kailangang bayarang mga bills.
yes, that's true.
Yeah. And yeah, that's true. I am a breadwinner of my family for a couple of years actually. Actually on my first job, which is yung sa private teaching, private school rather. First salary ko, anong ginawa ko? Binigay kong buo sa mama ko. Yeah. I received at
Bait.
that moment 17K. 17K is very big na.
Super.
Yes.
So big for a private school? Big na.
Yes. I was like, saan ako ni? Saan ako ni 17K? Oh.
First time mo
Yes.
paycheck na ingato.
Yes.
Grabe.
First paycheck ever or
Ever.
first paycheck
Oh.
17K?
17K. So, saan ako
Wakasan mo,
ni?
no?
Yeah.
Ihapon pa rin mo.
Yeah.
Tinuod ni 17?
I only receive around mga, di ba, makabayad ra tawag mga kwarta sa tuition lang, ay, sa USAP Manggod, I only pay around 2K, 3K, yan lang yung binabayaran ko. So that means to say, those are already big for me. 3K is like the biggest money that I've held. So pag-receive ko ng 17K, I was like, so saan ako ni?
Wala ka na sanay.
Yeah. And I think that is something that I should have studied pala before I received the money. Though meron mang orientation before we received the salary, we were oriented already the financial literacy. But the thing about me, I was like overwhelmed as of that moment. So, what I did is binigay ko lahat kay mama. And then sabi ko, ma, bigyan mo ako ng 2K. 2K is for pamasahe and all. I'm fine. So, parang si mama din, thank you na. And then, parang nasanay na si mama. Yun na.
Yun na.
Nasanay na rin si
Nasanay na.
mama. Ma!
Hindi niya.
Oo. Pero hindi ako nagre-reklamo.
Oh, of course.
Because I feel like, buta na ako nga anak ko. Like, very buta na girl. Then later on, na-realize ko yung mga friends ko, meron silang bagong laptop, silang bagong cellphone. Napaman ko yung laptop, napaman ko yung cellphone. I think I can still work with it. I'm okay with it. As of that moment, yun lang. So, yun.
Did you ever feel ba na, like you said, yung FOMO ba? Kanagong nabiyaan ka ba? Did you ever feel that way ba throughout your
Yeah, of course. I felt I always have that kind of feeling. Even nung high school. I always have this fear na, for example, naitapok, kinahanglan nga na-adjud ko. Or else, marag feeling na ako ang storyahan. Yeah. That's why they feel like I'm like the life of the party or like the joker of the group. Because feeling na ako, kung dili ko mag-joke, unsa ko? Inga na siya. Yeah. That's why I feel like kanang, I think, let's give it a personality na lang. Rather than make it as ano lang,
Di ako na niyo.
ako na lang kay wala may mo ako ani nga part sa kanang kuan sa friendship. So yeah, I think that's it. And then those fear of missing out. Do you mean the friendship or the things?
Both.
For the
Achieve-
things-
achievements, mga ganun, di ba?
Currently, yes.
Kasi you're seeing them, kasi like, lalo na, like, you know, your friends,
Mm-mm.
usually, especially kanang, ikadak-an po din mo ng mga tao, right? Like, like, we started the same.
Yeah.
And then after,
Doing
but they're
better.
doing better,
Yeah.
di ba? Parang,
Bakit?
oh, like, you end up asking yourself, like,
Where did I go?
where did I go wrong?
Oh,
What did they do right? Ano
Mm-mm.
ginawa nila? Like, you know, that's kind of like one of the things dun pag FOMO. So,
yeah. I have currently felt that one. Actually, like I've seen some friends of mine, they're already finishing their masteral, or some friends of mine have already went to other countries to pursue their teaching careers there. Some also pursue their dreams on having their own businesses. And I was like, teacher pa rin ako. I was having that moment. I'm still having that moment actually. Then I realized that I need to put it myself na kung teacher lang ako, I need to put my 100% in teaching na lang. Rather than thinking na dili lang ko unya sila kay nagsige na sila ag lakaw-lakaw. I am feeling that way. And then whenever I see some people having their own success, at first I would feel bad for myself, not for them. I would not feel bad for them. Congrats sa inyo. Congrats sa inyo ha. Okay? But I'm feeling bad for myself on why didn't I go to that kind of path? Why did I enter this kind of path? Nga na naman ko sa Amalday.
pinabtan mo.
Oo. Pero, I feel happy actually. Currently, working in this area, I'm happy. When I went to that seminar that we had, it says there, go full out. So, I went full out. Yeah. Walag dili sa other things, pero in that area, I feel like I'm doing my best. I did my best. And how did I feel that I did my best? Through my students. Whenever they would say na, Mom, thank you. Oh! Yeah.
Maingon mo na happy ka.
Sa other aspect, sa teaching.
Sa teaching, happy ka. Pero, do you have any regrets in the choices that you've made leading to where you are now?
I don't think that I have these regrets. Because those things that I have chosen it. That's my decision. And I think, maybe later on na ako, dapat lahi di nga path. Maybe there are other things that I should have gone through. But I think I can make that in another way around. We still have those free will man. So I think I'll grab that one. Right now, I'm still contemplating. You know, my friends are talking as well. Kung unsa may connecting mga question na, what will be your plan after 5 years? And I was like, my plan?
Dili dahil niya, no? Go lang ng go?
Pinakalit naman eh.
Kami na laban lang kay sila kung ano na sila 5 years from now dapat na ako sa ingani nga lugar ko. Unya ako.
Na-pressure.
Oh yeah, I have.
Yeah.
Especially for us women na kanasa kang pakasal, kanasa ka magkuan. Teacher ka pa naman. Dapat na human na kaaning pastoral ni mo. Mao na ako mga baggages. Actually, mao na ako mga baggages karon, and I think I need to face those things. Yeah. Though it fears the hell out of me, but I need to face it, or else no one will. Yeah, that's it.
Like right now ba with all those, obviously like everybody has those struggles rin naman, no? Na you fear missing out people,
Yes.
especially yung mga friends mo, there's success na sila.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Congrats sa inyo, uy.
Pero,
I'm so happy for
oh,
them.
of course,
Yeah.
of course. And then after that, you see yourself naman still happy with what you're doing as a
Yes.
teacher,
Yes.
especially pa sa public, right? Do you
Yes.
actually consider talaga, or let's say agree with the statement that teaching talaga is one of the noblest professions in your scenario ba?
In my perspective, yes. Di ba, mga 5 or 6 years na ko in teaching. And then, of course, abot of mga senior high, nga mga students. And then, mubalik gyapon sila sa ako.
Wow.
Yeah, and then I think my way of teaching kasi is not yung kapag inside tayo sa classroom, I'm your teacher. But when I am outside the classroom, I can be your friend. So we can talk about anything. So I think the good thing that I could say that it's so noble na masasabi ko talaga, ay, hindi nang ginawa ko. Kasi bumabalik sila sa akin, sabihin nila, I mean, they tell some stories like, Ma'am, nadaugod ko, Ma'am. Ma'am, nakuan gud ko. Ay, perfect!
so
I'm proud of them. And I feel like I did my best on that part. When I see my students reaching their own stars as well, yun nga lang.
Affirm
Yeah.
naman. Affirm.
Na-proof ang
Yeah.
mga
Yeah.
Mo jud to ang pinaka.
Yeah, that's true.
Maingon po na ako na, i-affirm po na, tika, basically, kay, napo ko yung teachers back then back in my elementary days pa jud that I actually still remember them because they had such a tremendous impact sa ako ang life. And that I think is such a big tell or a big evidence of your achievement, of your sacrifice rin, because for the most part of a child's development talaga, like, they face their parents. The biggest influence is parents, friends, and actually teachers. It's not the mga whatever they watch online. Sure, they actually do that, but it's the teachers talaga, because like what? Almost 10 plus years ng life natin.
Yeah,
You're facing the
that's
teacher.
your second parent.
Second parent talaga, like probably there will be times na ang tawag mo sa teacher mo accidentally, ma. Ma!
Oh.
Right?
Di ba ba?
Di ba? Pero be proud talaga, and then I'm very happy that you still you are choosing to be a public teacher despite what the struggles are. And very underrated yung mga public teachers talaga right now, like sure mahirap yung pero they're also going through it kasi, di ba?
Super.
It's not just the regular na mga tao, like wala silang pagkain, but bro, they're going through everything as well, probably even times 3, because they have to sacrifice what they need talaga. They need mismo just so that for others.
I have this student,
Mm.
I remember, like, in my case, single, di ba? So, technically, walang asawa, walang anak. Ganyan. And then, I can see those students of mine are like my children na. So, yun na nga, meron talaga isang student na kanang, lisod jud kaayo, kanang pagbalay, jud kay kanang outfit, gani, and so on. So, nga ko, ang ginabawi siya, kaon na lang. Kaon jud. Kay, I was thinking na, okay lang na imong sanina. Hindi na tanahon na lang to. Sulod kag eskwelahan, kung makakaon ka. Kanon lang jud. Kay maura man jud na ang murag maka-go sa bata. Let's accept it. Ang ubang bata diri mosulod lang na ibaon. But with that kind of child, that child na ni sulod siya, tapos regardless, nagkaon na ka, wala pa, so pakaon na pud ko. Pero nagkita ng feeding program.
Feeding program, no?
Feeding program ko, tapos may na po niya, ma'am, sakit akong tiyan. Sige. Nurse na pud ko.
Multitask, all around, boy. Pero second parent.
Extra mile, Jud.
Mm.
When it comes to
Have to,
teaching, you need to do the extra mile. Because sometimes when they go back to their home, technically, some of the parents, they cannot really take care of their children na. Kaya kapoy gikan sa work,
Mhm.
no? Imagine that one, gikan sila sa work, kapoy na kay sila, tapos pati man pa sila sa bata, sumubalik na po si parents sa mga, wala di kinatunan sa yung teacher.
Yeah, oh my God,
Mm.
dude.
Yeah. Tapos si teacher na, wala di ka dito luwan sa imong papa. Ana, dyan na, balik na
Gani.
po. Oh. So, it always goes, it should be like parents and teachers should go hand in hand when teaching students.
So, Jal, sa tanan ni mo struggles, kani mo giagian, pila na kayo sa teaching,
Yeah.
mo mga bata na ginatiman, nga dako na. Ngano, why do you still press play on teaching?
Because I think that we need to nurture children. Nurturing them makes them better people. That's what I think. Yeah. Wala na halong chismis to.
Wala na dito.
Wala dyan na.
Yeah, because later on they will grow up and then you want good citizens. We don't want those kind of people na makita na nato nga nang gripo na sa gilid. We don't want those kind of people. What we want are good citizens of this country. So what we need to do is build them to become a better person. Yeah, I think that's it.
So, thank you kayo sa pag-nourish atong children.
Oy.
Wow. Dako kayo na.
You're proud.
Pili
Grabe ka big
program.
opportunity.
I know.
Dako kayo mo impact.
Mm.
Even if,
So thank you.
di ba pila naka-classroom mo na-handle? And if nga na imong impact sa tanan bata dito, di ba?
Times
Yes.
pila pa,
Pila
times
na
pila
to
ka bata.
katao.
Oh.
Yeah, pila
Imo
na to.
natabangan.
Gani no.
Ikaw ma-remember nila just because
Oh, thank you.
Ah,
Thank you.
ana sila ba mudagan sila
Teacher na ko na.
Tumo mo na siya. Oh.
Teacher na
Well, that's pretty much
Yeah.
that's what we wanted to really learn about, the life kasi di masyado siya publicized, not talked about. We just wanted to shed a little bit of light. Of course, I feel like this deserves a part 2 or something because it's so
Yeah.
short.
Yeah.
As you can see, as you can notice, ang rami pa niyang gustong sabihin.
Chika na. Dahil 6 years ko sa teaching, kanya kanira ang chika, 30
I know,
minutes.
that's 30 minutes condensed to 30 minutes, okay?
Part 2.
Part 2. Ayan na, part 2. So, alam
Okay.
nyo na, babalik. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope talaga na you learned a lot from this as well, especially with our public education system. Hopefully, you admire and appreciate your teachers talaga, mapa-private man or public school because they're doing a lot for
Very
you.
important.
Very important.
Very
Di mo lang alam anong mga struggles nila behind the scenes, but they're there to actually be your guide, to be your parent, yung second parent nyo. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you to all the teachers out there.
So if you're enjoying or if you enjoyed this episode, leave comment down below, press like, share this episode, like, subscribe, wherever you may be watching this. And of course, thank you. Keep pressing.
Play!